Welcome to the channel Encyclopedia Catanica. Today I'm gonna show you my tools for lockpicking. Those are all the tools I have, and I made them all. Practically I learned how to pick locks from YouTube and started with it because when I buy some padlock without a key, which is rekeyable, I need to pick it to be able to open it and take the core out and rekey it to some stock key that I have, which is correct for the lock. So that's how I started lock picking. Initially I'm a lock collector, padlock collector, for a huge period of time. And when I started lockpicking, I was getting better and better. I made some tools and started with those simple locks such as master number 3, number 5, and then some Chinese locks, then some masters 140. Firstly, 1 spool, 2 spools, 3 spools, LZ sack locks, Titan case, and etc. So I gained some skills and knowledge, but of course I didn't practice it a lot, because as a collector I only need to pick locks when I buy a lock without a key, and it's not oftenly the case. So here it is. Here is that devil, black devil, which I failed to pick. Really good lock, really epic lock. Probably if I record the video of 2 hours, I'm able to defeat it, but under 15 minutes, nothing. For now, nothing. This is practically a blue belt lock, and I'm not blue belt. Maybe I was. To be honest with you, I was probably blue belt, and maybe, not brown belt. Blue belt, blue or green for sure. When I was into picking a lot, when I discovered this as on YouTube, and when I started gaining skills, I was pretty good, at least for basic and some medium security locks. But the problem was, because I'm collector, when you pick locks, when you rake them, when you practice on them, you wear them out really quickly, and you have damaged padlocks. So as a collector, I don't want to damage the locks from my collection. And when I started this YouTube channel, I was again into picking, because people loved the picking, people love defeating, love the fight, and well, because it's Encyclopedia Catanica, padlock encyclopedia, it's for sure the picking is part of it. And so I started recording and gaining skills again, but as you saw, this one, not for now. So let's cut the philosophy and start presenting the tools. Those are made from bicycle spokes, steel bicycle spokes. Those are so-called snappers, and they are very good for basic security padlocks. Pretty easy to gain full set, pretty easy to defeat the locks without security pins. I have 2 of them. One is longer and thinner, one is shorter and thicker, and many times those saved the time needed for picking. As regular hooks, I have this one. It's not finished yet, but it works for maybe Soviet locks. This one is curved and deeper one. This one also curved, deeper one. This one isn't finished at all, and it's very hardened still. It's very hard still, but I didn't finish it. This is the famous one, and it opened countless of locks. It works really, really good. It's curved hook. It's pretty short on the end, but it works fine. This one is shorter but deeper. This one is longer but not so deep. It's short hook. And this one is also deeper hook. That's all I have when we are speaking of hooks. Now the rakes. I have this classic wave rake. It's kind of wave rake which works perfectly, but not on every locks and every lock. This one is also perfect for SPP and raking at the same time. This one only for Soviet and maybe East German locks. This snake rake works fine, pretty good. This is shallow. It's not classic city rake, it's something like wave rake, but it's shallow. Works okay. This one is also famous, opened countless of locks. Usually I use this thing and this thing at first. Those are two basic tools that I always grab when I have new lock. I try with those at first and then go on if I don't have any progress with those two tools. Those are the first two that I made. This one is some up down. It mimics the various key beatings. This one also. This one, well, it doesn't work. I think it's something that I practiced when I started making those. Usually this is hammered bicycle spoke, and this is those are windshield wipers. Windshield wipers and hammered bicycle spoke. Pretty good steel, flexible and strong at the same time. And the most important thing are, there is one more rake. The most important thing are the tensioning, and are tension wrenches. I have many of them because many YouTubers, many lockpickers said that tensioning is the key of the fitting. So I have short, long, thick, thin. This one I made, it's perfect for the Titan K padlocks and for many other locks. This one also fits here, but not to the end. It snags, but not enough. Thin, short, long. This one have two rolls. First roll is to defeat warded locks, and the second roll is to tension from the bottom of the keyway. But I really not prefer to tension from the bottom of the keyway. Usually I love top of the keyway, but sometimes you need to tension it from the bottom. This one is also, it looks like a key. It's for defeating warded locks and also for tensioning from the bottom of the keyway. This is one hook. It's not finished. It's thin hook, but I don't like it. I don't know. It's just here. And this one also, this is very thick for Soviet padlock. It's from truck windshield wiper. This is a long hook, we should say, and tension wrench also for bigger warded locks. We have this long tension wrench, two of them on one tool. Thin one short one, ergonomic one for various tensioning, very small tension wrenches, again some kind of ergonomic for those shields on the keyway when you have it and you need to make pretty good approach. Thin one, I love when they snag really good into the keyway, and you have to choose always the right tension wrench, because if you don't have good tension wrench and you maybe have good raking tools or SPP tools, you won't be able to make any progress, because without tensioning there is nothing that you could do to defeat the lock. So pretty much modest collection of tools. I could make hundreds of them if I want to, but as I mentioned, I'm a collector. Now I'm again a picker because I record the videos for you guys, but before I started the YouTube channel, I was only a collector and picker only when I have to defeat the lock to gain access to the screw and to rekey it. Nothing more. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.